Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to send a message on TikTok. So it actually depends on the creator, because some creators, as you can see like here, you can choose to follow them, you can choose to send them a message using this button. So just click that and you can compose a message to them like that. You can actually send up to 3 messages until this user accepts our message request. So there's actually some other options on some creators. Like for example, some big creators on TikTok, like this one, there's actually no button on which we can send a message to them. But we can actually send a message to them using this trick. So to do that, you just need to click this 3 dots up here. You can see this send message. And you can actually send a hi to them like that. However, as you can see, it will not be sent because you can see here that only friends can send messages to each other. So that specific creator has prohibited this specific function, so there's nothing we can do to disable it. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.